In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on ETH future while examining Ethereum cost estimate for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and some other expectation tentatively, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like Ethereum. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dig profound into the Ethereum value forecast and answer questions in the event that ETH is a wise speculation or not, for what reason will ETH succeed or come up short, or for what reason will Ethereum value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is ETH and its to-date history. Ethereum price prediction. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its record-breaking high in the midst of the more extensive market drops, affected by seething expansion and US Fed rate increments. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. Crypto Vault Group made a cost forecast model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and major evaluation of each undertaking. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. Ethereum price prediction 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure basically for the main quarter of 2022, preceding we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Crypto Vault forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds likewise. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022, August 3.87% $1,134.49. 2022, September 4.43% $1,127.88. 2022, October plus 4.00% $1,227.40. 2022, November plus 4.07% $1,228.23. 2022, December plus 8.51% $1,280.60. 2023, Jan plus 15.94% $1,368.32. 2023, February plus 23.26% $1,454.72. 2023 Mar plus 22.40% $1,444.58. 2023, April plus 31.73% $1,554.74. 2023, May plus 42.95% $1,687.06. 2023 June plus 34.18% $1,583.63. 2023 July plus 44.00% $1,699.51. ETH price prediction 2025. Our forecast model sees ETH coming to $8,969.65 in 2025. What will ETH be worth in 5 years? The cost of ETH in 5 years could lie around $2,600.26 as per Crypto Vault expectation model. Ethereum price prediction 2030-2040. What Ethereum will be worth in 2030. are determining model sees Ethereum coming to $22,424.14 in 2030. What Ethereum will be worth in 2040. Our determining model sees Ethereum coming to $44,848.27 in 2040. Is Ethereum worth purchasing? We are promoters of decently hazardous money management. Put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a crate of large cap coins, and the rest in little ventures with immense potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific circumstance, Ethereum merits purchasing. Is Ethereum a wise venture? Ethereum is, very much like any remaining digital forms of money, a hazardous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down, due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. What amount will Ethereum be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach $1,040.95. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $22,424.14 or much higher. For what reason will Ethereum succeed and become more expensive? Ethereum has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Ethereum ascending to $22,424.14 in 2030. For what reason will Ethereum fizzle and drop in cost? Crypto projects fizzle in light of multiple factors. The absolute most normal ones are: group denounces any and all authority and leaves the task, controllers pronounce it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more fruitful contenders, absence of very much planned showcasing methodology, losing local area support, likely weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development movement on the convention, neglecting to draw in new engineers to expand on their foundation. How high will Ethereum go? Our estimating model sees Ethereum value detonating and coming to $44,848.27 in a far-off future. What is the momentary expectation for Ethereum? Ethereum will reach $1,040.95 in the following 90 days, which is 11.8% change over the ongoing cost, which drifts around $1,180.22. Could Ethereum at any point make you a mogul? Indeed, on the off chance that you purchase huge enough amount of it. Try not to hope to contribute $100 and become an Ethereum tycoon. In any case, 100x value blasts are a typical sight in crypto, so $1.10